Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I first want to start off by saying Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2020, which is so exciting. I cannot wait to film and create so much content throughout this entire year. And today I really wanted to start off the new year with a colorful, sultry look. So that is what I'm doing for you guys today. I also want to mention that my brush set is being restocked again. Here it is when I was blonde. I miss my blonde hair. But this is my favorites brush set with Sigma Beauty. There are 5 brushes in here. I will link the more in-depth video and the review of this brush set down below so you guys can check that video out and learn about the brushes and see how I put them to use. And there is a giveaway in today's video. I haven't done a giveaway on my YouTube in forever, and I want to start off the new year by thanking you for all the love and support you guys continuously show me, so I wanted to give back and do a giveaway for you guys. So the giveaway will be kind of linked between my Instagram and YouTube, so the photo of the products that I will be giving away will be on my Instagram, so you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and tag 2 real friends, not celebrities or influencers, under the giveaway photo on my Instagram. And then when you did all of that, if you guys can just comment your IG handle under my video or just say done or something so I can find you guys and obviously check if you guys actually follow me and subscribe, which I feel like you should because we have a lot of fun and we create lots of fun looks. So definitely subscribe and follow even if you're not entering the giveaway. I'll also have all the information listed down below and where you can follow me and where you can find me and all that good stuff is always in the description box. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm going into the Makeup Revolution Chilled Eyeshadow Palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Relax. I'm going into the Sigma E25 blending brush and I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. And this is going to help add a little bit of definition through my crease. I'm now going into Candyland. I'm now picking up this shadow on my finger. Look at how pretty it is. And I'm going to start swiping this all across my entire lid. And then what I'm going to do is right where my crease is going to fold over onto my lid, I'm just going to apply a little bit of that shadow up there, and then that's going to help nicely kind of diffuse that out, and then I'm going to blend it out even more. And then just taking that E25 that I used to blend the shadow through my crease and just buffing this out to help diffuse it. I'm picking up Calm and adding that right in the center just to add a little bit of highlight and dimension. And that's just going to really nicely catch the light. You're really not going to see it right now, but when you kind of move your head back and forth, it's going to look so pretty. Now picking up Mist. With my Sigma EO6 wing liner brush, I'm going to create a wing liner with this shadow. And then I'm just going to take the tip of this brush and start lightly diffusing the edges of this liner. I want it to be really kind of smoked out and kind of blend into the shadow on my lid. With my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to apply Candyland all across my lower lash line. And then with that same brush, I'm applying Mist just on the outer corner of my lower lash line and connecting that up towards my wing liner, and that's going to really nicely create a feline effect. And I'm now applying Calm on my inner corner. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Overdrive. I'm first going to line my lower waterline, and then line my upper waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these Ardell 3D Foam Ink Lashes in 861, and that's the eye look done. Moving on to lips, I'm going to stick with a nude because I really want to keep all the concentration on my eyes because I'm loving how slightly dramatic and sultry and colorful the eyes are. So I'm going to go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Stripped. I haven't used this in a hot minute, so I'm excited to try it out again. And that's it. This is a completed look of my green smoky cat eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how the look turned out. I hope you guys did as well. And if you did, you can give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like this look. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also lists of all the products that I used today and my brush set with Sigma, as well as the details for the giveaway will be listed down below in the description box also. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!